Hey everyone, this is Avi Harkishan from AH Charts. Let's take a look at SPY. Um, Before we look at SPY, maybe I'll just pull up the Discord for a moment and let's see what we were talking about the day before. So I did do a video the day before and I talked about SPY. This is the path I had, and I think SPY is going to come down to this range over here. So we've been laying out paths within Discord every single day, and the trade's been like really carrying through exactly as we've had them. So it's been pretty awesome, trading with an amazing plan. So this here was yesterday, and this was the path that I had for SPY going forward. Let's go back to SPY. So we're looking at the daily chart. It's in a rising wedge. So something kind of major happened today. We pushed down in the market, and on the daily close, we closed below the daily wedge with massive pump of volume, major indecision, and here's the candle from the day before, and that was 579.90. So it closed below this line right here. That level, let me not say that line. That level closed below 579.90. Major indecision, huge volume closing below rising wedge. Lots of bearish confluences still. I would like to say that's the bottom, but I don't think it is. I think you're going to be seeing price fall into this range here, at least into this range, and a possible retest of 565, which I think you might see coming this week. Let's go down to the 4 hours. So here's where the close is. And as you can see, when the price went back up, it went back to that daily gap. If anybody's listening in my Discord as well, whenever price falls below a daily gap or a fair value gap, it either holds that gap and it moves back up, but if it start pushing below that gap, many times that gap could act as a resistance. Let me just move my microphone for a bit so you guys can hear me better. Yeah, many times that gap could act as a resistance level, and that's what we're seeing here at the moment, is acting as a resistance level. And the price went back up on the 4 hours. You're seeing that major volume pump, and it pushed the price down. You had a little bit of pump, but there's no kind of volume. So you got to look at the volume price analysis. We're going to look at the 1 hour for a moment. So here in the 1 hour, as you can see, this here, huge volume, like a bearish engulfing, and no kind of volume on the others, the red candles, the green candles. Because of this, I am inclined to say, and because you kind of close below, you did close below 579.90, which was the close of the previous day's close. I would like to think the SPY is gonna come back down. It may go back up above here towards that 589-ish level, or right over here, and get rejected tomorrow. It's possible. That's what I think. So I'm looking for this level. This level is going to be acting as resistance, and you might see SPY coming back down again. So something along the line where you have like this, this, and you might see something like this where SPY possible. It's possible where it goes back up at double top and it breaks and it comes down to form a new low within this gap right here. Somewhere here, it could come all the way bottom here to 565 or within this range over here. Difficult to tell exactly how far it's going to come down. I don't know, but somewhere within that range. If we take our fib tools as well, based on the fib tools, spike could come all the way at the bottom to 560. But right now I have that retest at 565, so I think it's going to come anywhere between this range. So I'm expecting another bearish day for SPY tomorrow. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but I don't think we're going to get above this level here tomorrow, especially at 590. That's a strong level. Now let's look at trade ticks. What they have, what the data is showing. The data is showing will set resistance at 580. So you saw price went up to that 580, and what happened? It came all the way back down on huge volume. This is huge sell-off. That's what you're seeing happening here. That 580, you saw the price close below it. So whenever whales set something, it's important to pay attention to it because they control the market. And I think we can see another low tomorrow. We'll look at the 30 minutes, and this is where, like, if you're trading this here, I would pay attention to this level, that 580, and like, let's just say a support or level over here. Once it breaks below here, that's your cue to get out of the trade. Let me give it another color. No, let me put that in red. Yeah, that's your cue. Get out of the trade if it breaks below this level. If you're long. So you may see something like this and breaks back down and come below. All right. Hopefully that was helpful, guys.